Hey guys, hope you like my hair. I'm having super hair days. I've tried to get it a little more platinum, but this is how much it's gone. The color runs off pretty often because I wash it every day, but I'm absolutely loving my hair. I mean, I can spike it, I can give a mohawk, I can do whatever I want.
You're amazing, you're an amazing makeup artist and an amazing person, so friendly. You went through all my products and taught me with my own products, so now I know how to use my own products and not let it go waste. I really liked what you did at my sister's wedding as well. I really learned a lot from you, especially about my own self, my own face structure, my eyes, about contouring and highlighting and all that, so thank you so much. It was a wonderful experience.